How you feeling, man?
Man, this is awesome. I'm just so thankful for this opportunity. This is a dream come true.
How'd it go last night, man?
It went great. We had a blast. We really did.
How'd the car do?
Man, the car did great. I couldn't be happier with the car. God, I had a lot of fun.
You look great out there, dude.
Man,
We've got some fresh new young talent.
1, 2, 3, listen.
I've been coming to LS Fest for 5 or 6 years, and we really enjoy it. My background with LS Fest is basically drag racing, but when I saw drifting out here, I mean, I was hooked. I was like, I've got to do that.
I'm sure that's what allured you to it first.
Yeah.
You saw them out there, and
man, it just looked like, golly, those guys have a lot going on in those cars. You know, in my mind, I just hope I could do it. You know, but I've got to try. I had a 2000 Camaro that I've had since I was 17, 18 years old. And so had that for years, and I always carried it to LS Fest, and it's been a long road. I sold the Camaro, bought this, been doing all this, you know, fab work and getting everything ready, and so the ultimate goal has been drifting, and we're finally here. The car's here. I've only got a couple of events under my belt at the moment, so I'm not really at the competitive level yet, but that's the goal.
And it's gonna be your debut at drifting at LS Fest?
Yes, sir. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm just, you know, glad they're giving me the opportunity to get out there and try it, you know. It was basically a roller, no motor transmission. They had started gutting the car and things like that. It was a good start, basically, and just had to go in and finish the roll cage and get it up to spec, put a fuel cell in it, build a rear firewall, and then I built a motor. I had it's a 6-liter iron block that I had and that I rebuilt, freshened up, and put some heads on it, intake and exhaust, and I bought a swap kit and everything to put it in there, and, you know, just taking a little time, little money, and finally got it completed, so. Yeah, the whole family comes out here. LS Fest of 2015, my wife was actually pregnant, and we were dedicated to still come out here and go, and we ended up having our baby 5 days later, so that's how close we were cutting it there. You fixing it? And then the year after that, we came out here. He was about 1 year old then, and he tripped and fell getting on the pit bike, cut his lip. So we had to go to the emergency center and get that looked at. Got back over here, and we went to go buy some t-shirts, and we had some onesies made. We were over there and we talked with Angel, I believe, and she saw he had blood all over this onesie that we had made that had my first Holley LS Fest on it. So anyways, we're dedicated. We make a little mini vacation out of this. Just glad to be able to come out here and participate and be a part of LS Fest, you know. My dad, he circle track race. He did a little drag racing, and he circle track raced. So, you know, since I was in diapers, I've been helping out with a race car somehow, some way. And when I was 8 years old, we started go-kart racing. So I go-kart raced on dirt for years. So did that for a while, and then I've ran some circle track cars on asphalt. Did that for a couple of years, and then I just kind of played with street cars and LS motors, and you know, did some drag racing. So now we're gonna try drifting. So tires is a big deal. That's as of right now, that's my biggest expense running the car, is trying to keep tires on the back of it. So, and you got that factor of, you know, trying to keep it off the wall or getting into another car. So you get, grabbing a hydro, banging gears and whipping the steering wheel, and here's a wall here, here's cones there's another car. You're just trying to keep it all in check, you know. That's what makes it a lot of fun for me anyways. It's just so much fun. I just can't thank y'all enough to, you know, putting this event on, giving people like me a chance to come out here and do stuff like this.